Hi friends, this is Chacha Coder and I'm back with my another video, another day, another problem statement. So we are going to solve next problem today. So yesterday when we were solving this problem statement, top k frequent elements, we were not able to since we got that 504 error from NeetCode. So we were not able to solve this problem, but no worries. Let's jump on the next problem statement, which is encode and decode strings. Okay, so design an algorithm to encode a list of strings to a string. The encoded string is then sent over the network and is decoded back to the original list of strings. Okay, machine 1, okay, machine 2 will decode. Awesome. Okay, okay, sure. Okay, so like we will input a list of strings and we have to output a list of strings. Pretty simple. Okay, let's see constraints. Normal. String size contains any possible character out of 2 valid as characters. Okay, nice. So like this, what I can think of is this constraint is a good constraint. Like it's kind of telling us. So for example, if we are using, let's say, hash and to basically encode or basically use in encoding the strings, so there might be a possibility that the string itself contains, let's say, uh, cha. So this is the particular string from above array from the input, and this is we are using. So he's saying just be cautious about it. So yeah, we will be cautious about it. But okay, so like I don't know, it should not be a medium problem, but like I can think of a two solution right now. एक खुराफाती solution है, and I'll implement this खुराफाती solution because I do think it will get submitted as well. And like a generic solution, I would say a normal approach would be like what I can do, basically use the defined strings over here and somehow make a generic method to basically encode it. For example, if I can say if let's say, let's take the number of alphabets in the string present and append it or put it into the end or whatever. We will probably put it first and then the string. So like this, if I say there is a list of string, cha is a good, not goof, coder. So what I'm gonna do is I'll encode it something like since cha contains 6 alphabets, 6, let's say dollar, then cha sounds so weird saying cha 2 dollar, and is $1 a, $4 good, and then $5 coder. So this kind of string we will encode, and then this will get passed on to the decode method, and in decode we can basically scrap these things out. Like we can make an algo which will remove these particular things, and so we'll again obtain this solution. And probably I am hoping this is one of the solution which is might be given in the solution, but let's see if my this solution is also present in that solution. So we are going to define our algo key, which will be, let's say, cha, and we are gonna use it to basically join the strings. Let's do, and it says strings. So like this will do is this particular string will be put on before hello, in between those, like basically how our join works. So that will be done like hello, then this cha string, world, then this cha string. So yeah, and in the decode we are just gonna split it using our algo key. It's just that simple. And I guess we have to handle that case where we do not get any string, so that will not give us a right what do we say right output. So if not strings, we are gonna return none, else we are gonna return this. Similarly, if s equals to none, we are gonna return empty array, else our Khurafati solution. Let's try to submit it and see how does this goes. Awesome blossom. And okay, I beat only 27%. Obviously not a good solution, it's a Khurafati solution. Let's quickly jump into a solution which is provided. Encoding, decoding. Okay, if the input how we are encoding is, if the input list is empty, return an empty string. Definitely we are doing that. Create an empty list to store the size of each string. For each string, append its length to the size of, build a single string by writing all. Okay, nice. So again, it's kind of doing what I said it earlier, but let's quickly watch over here. So these are the sizes. Like I kind of remember we do use it somewhere in normal day-to-day life while developing things. Okay, this is kind of new. So resulting array is this. Okay, so what they did is they kind of developed this what happened okay, basically they are decoding. So yeah, how they encoded it is like they basically counted out each string's number length, and then they kind of put it with a comma. So 4 comma 4 comma 4 comma 4 comma 3 comma, then this hash to tell that it's now ended. Now we will be getting the string itself, and then so yeah, this was it. And then we received this particular string in the decode. So we get 4. So now we are getting basically the sizes. So when we will be here after hash, we will make a first what do we say, string out of 4 characters, the second string out of 4 characters, the third string out of 4 characters, and for the last one it's gonna choose 3, so it will be u. Nice algo. Obviously, let's see another solution. How many solutions are there? Okay, 2 only. This one is the optimal. What it does is, like, let's kind of play it. It's a very nice feature at NeetCode. We can quickly understand what's going on. Oh, so okay, yeah. So like, okay, this is what I was talking about, not the above solution. In the starting of video, I took length and I was explaining using dollar. They are using a hash. We can use anything. So I was kind of talking about this particular solution. But yeah, above approach also looks nice. Let's see how they're doing. 4 hash neat, 4 hash code. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Then 4 hash is removed. Okay. Yeah, similar kind of thing. Definitely. Nice. I would say I would still go with my Khurafati solution. It's not a Khurafati, it's just so while developing some things in the application, in the API, I do put some string just to basically encode it differently, just for like my what do we call it, my convenience. So this was kind of related to that. So yeah, good video, good question. Pretty normal one, I would say, not a medium type of question. It could be an easy question, but yeah, nice one. Okay guys, bye bye for today. See you guys tomorrow in another video. And if you guys want, you can watch my other videos as well, although they are kind of too long. But I'll definitely recommend. So like what you guys can do is basically try to solve the problem itself while I'm trying to explain or while I'm trying to solve, so that it's like basically you are pair coding with someone. Not that we are talking with each other, but kind of a pair coding where you're also solving a particular problem and I am also solving that particular problem itself. So yeah, that's for this video. Have a great day, guys. Keep solving. Bye bye.